good day. This is Crystal Joy speaking. You are calling Jewelry Fine Dining Restaurant. How may I help you?
Yes, would like to book a reservation around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll just check, sir, if there's an available table in that time, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. There's an available table within that time, sir. 7:30 to 8. Under what name, sir?
Okay, Gian Ray Dupa.
Okay, sir. May I know your contact numbers, sir?
09
09
36
36
46
46
56
56
76.
76. Okay, sir. How many are with you, sir?
Just only me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, may I repeat the details of your reservation around 7:30 to 8 p.m.
Yes.
this evening, sir?
Okay.
Under Zian Rupa name,
Okay.
with a contact number of 0936 46 56 76, and a book of just only one.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for booking with us, sir. Thank you for calling. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Do you have any reservation with us, sir?
Yes, I have.
Under what name, sir?
Under Gian Ray Dupa.
Okay, sir. Can you just wait for a while, sir? I'll just check the reservation list.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you for waiting, sir. Just follow me, sir. This way, please.
Okay.
This way, sir. Is this table okay for you, sir?
Yeah, it's okay for me.
Can you take your seat, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. May I start off with some cold water, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Here's your water, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting, sir.
It's okay.
Here's our menu, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to take your order, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
I want this one
Okay, sir.
and this one, this
Sir.
this one, this one,
Okay.
and your appetizer. This.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. May I repeat your order, sir? Your order is, for your appetizer, you have ordered beef king. For your soup, cream of chicken with corn soup. For your salad, carrots and cucumber with mayonnaise. And for your dessert, fudge special. For your main course, you ordered stofada special. And for your wine, sir, is Cerveza Black Evil Red Wine. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. What is it?
Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting. I will just have some little adjustment for your table setup. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer, sir.
Wow, I think this picture is nice.
Yes, sir. Please enjoy. Bon appetit.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. What is it, sir? Do you find it so delicious, sir?
Yep.
Yes, sir. That appetizer, sir, is good for your health, and it is one of the best appetizer of the house. Excuse me, sir. Please enjoy. Excuse me, sir. Are you done, sir?
Yeah.
Can I pass out your plate, sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your...
That's my soap.
Yes, sir. Chicken soup. Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with the soup, sir?
Yeah.
Can I bust out your plate now?
Okay, basta.
Yes, sir. comes your salad, sir. Mayonnaise and carrot salad with some touches of orange. Please enjoy. Excuse me, sir. Are you done, sir?
Yes, I'm there.
Can I bust up your plate, sir? How do you find our? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your dessert, sir.
Oh, I think it's very good.
Yes, sir. Please enjoy. Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done, sir? Can I bust out your plate now, sir?
Okay,
Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You ordered Chevrolet Black Evil red wine with a 70% alcohol content, and it was purely made of grapes. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting, sir. And for your main course, sir, you ordered estofada special. Here's your menu, sir. Thank you for waiting, sir. Bon appetit. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your main course, sir?
Yes.
Can I bust out your plate now?
Okay. Your menu is very delicious.
Thank you for the compliment, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Can I receive?
Okay, sir. Just wait, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill, sir. Would you like to pay cash or check, sir?
I don't have cash, but I have card.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting. Here's your card, sir. You just have to sign this one, sir.
Okay, that's my sign.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for booking with us, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for dining with us, sir. How was your experience, sir?
It was so great.
Thank you for that. Thank you, sir, for booking with us.